The Piteous Horse. Children, this is the second poem in the course book. And now we will do the workbook part for the poem The Piteous Horse. The first section here is understanding the text. A. Fill in the blanks. Here we are given 5 sentences and these are with the blanks and are incomplete. We have to fill in these blanks with the correct words and complete the sentences. 1. The old horse Dobbin is out at, the answer is grass. The answer here is grass. The old horse Dobbin is out at grass. 2. He stares at the dash winding down. And the correct word here is white road. He stares at the white road winding down. 3. He hears in the distance a dash trot. And the answer here is snip, snap, trot. He hears in the distance a snip, snap, trot. 4. His coat is dash and blown dash. His coat is ragged and blown awry. His coat is ragged and blown awry. 5. His old dash aches with a dash load. His old heart aches with a heavier load. These are the correct words. Now let me read the sentences with these fill in the words. The complete sentences I will read for you. The old horse Dobbin is out at grass. He stares at the white road winding down. He hears in the distance a snip snap trot. His coat is ragged and blown awry. His old heart aches with a heavier load. And this is about the A bit, which is fill in the blanks. And now we will move to the next bit. The next bit here is answer the following questions. Here we are given few questions. We have to read the questions and write the answers. The first question here is, where is Dobbin? Why is he there? And the answer for this question is, Dobbin is out at grass staring at the white road. So the answer for this question is, Dobbin is out at grass staring at the white road. 2. Dobbin hears a snip snap trot at a distance. What is it? And the answer for this is, Dobbin hears a snip snap trot at a distance which is of a smart new mare. This is the answer for the second question. 3. Who came last month and from where? The answer for this question is, smart new mare came last month from Pulborough Fair. So this is the answer for the third question. Smart new mare came last month from Pulborough Fair. Children, these are the answers for these questions. You can write these answers in your workbook. Now we will move to the next question. 4. Why did he stare at the road? The answer for this is, Dobbin stares at the road because he is no longer used for ride by his master since the arrival of the smart new mare. So this is the answer for the fourth question. Now we will move to the next section. The next section here is word search. A. Read the following sentences. The birds live in the nest. Now find out where the following animals live. So children, the birds live in the nest. And now we have to write where the following animals live. This is a horse. 1. Horse. Now where does a horse live? In a stable. stable, stable. 2. Spider. This is a spider. Where does a spider live? In a web. W-E-B, web. 3. Sheep. This is a sheep. Where does a sheep live? It lives in a pen. P-E-N, pen. A horse lives in a stable. A spider lives in a web. A sheep lives in a pen. The next one. 4. Bee. This is a bee. So where does a bee live? In a hive. H-I-V-E, hive. 5. Cow. This is a cow. Where does a cow live? In a shed. S-H-E-D, shed. Bee lives in a hive and cow lives in a shed. So this is about the A bit under word search. Now we will move to the next bit. B. Write the rhyming words of the following from the poem. Children, here we are given 7 words. We have to write the rhyming words for these words from the poem The Piteous Horse. Rhyming words are the same sound ending words. Same sound ending words are called rhyming words. Now we will write the rhyming words for these. First, let me read the words given here. Grass, winding, trot, mare, may, gone, load. Now we will write the rhyming words. 1. Grass. The rhyming word here is pass. Grass, pass. 2. Winding. The rhyming word is dwindling. Winding, dwindling. 3. Trot. The rhyming word is dot. Trot, dot. 4. Mare. The rhyming word here is fair. F-A-I-R, fair. 5. May. The rhyming word is way. W-A-Y, way. 6. Gone. The rhyming word is D-O-N-E, done. Gone, done. 7. Load. The rhyming word is road. R-O-A-D, road. Load, road. So these are the rhyming words we found for these given words. Grass, pass. Winding, dwindling. Trot, dot. Mare, fair. May, way. Gone, done. Load, road. So this is about the B bit under word search, which is about the rhyming words. Now we will move to the next bit. C. Write common nouns and sentences beginning with articles from the poem. Children, we have to write common nouns and the articles, sentences beginning with the articles from the poem The Piteous Horse. Here we will write the common nouns and here we will write the sentences beginning with articles. What are the common nouns here from the poem? Horse, road, mare, heart, month. So these are the common nouns from the poem. And now the sentences beginning with the articles are: the old horse out at grass. And next one, a small dark dot. And the next one, the world is changing. And the next, a snip snap trot. Here in these sentences, can you tell me the articles? The articles in these sentences are the, a, the, a. So these sentences are beginning with the articles, and these sentences are taken from the poem The Piteous Horse. Children, so in the C bit we have written common nouns and sentences beginning with the articles from the poem. The common nouns are horse, road, mare, heart, month, and the sentences beginning here with articles are the old horse out at grass, a small dark dot, the world is changing, a snip snap trot. These are the sentences beginning with the articles. The articles are the, and a. This is about the C bit. Now we will move to the next section. The next section here is writing skills. Paste the picture of a horse and write few lines about it. In this section, children, you have to paste the picture of a horse and write few lines about the horse. In your workbook, you can paste the picture of a horse and then write few lines about the horse like this. The horse is a very useful and domestic animal, and they have 4 legs. The horse has a strong and beautiful body. It has 4 legs and a long beautiful tail. Its legs are slender but strong enough to run miles at one go without any break. Horses are graceful and devoted to its master. Horses are of many sizes and colors. It is a very useful animal. It is harnessed to carriages. It is used for riding. Some horses are specially trained to be used in battles and processions. The horses eat grass and grains. So children, this is about the horse, and you have to paste a picture and write few lines about the horse in your workbook. With this completion of writing skills, we completed the workbook part for the poem The Piteous Horse.